guys, so ngayon pala is May 20, 10:30 na ng gabi, and May 22 nga pala tayo magsa-sign off sa Barcelona, Spain. So kaninang morning nag-sign off meeting na kami. Nagpasalamat sila captain, yung mga executive committee ng barko, mga HR for wonderful contract namin, for being a part of Celebrity Excel, and for finishing our contract. Yan, kinongrats na kami, ganyan.
They are blown away by the way they felt throughout this opening season and how you guys got together and came as a family together. So congratulations, thank you for all you do, and yeah, I'll see you in 8 weeks. That's it!
So, ito yung first time na magsa-sign off tayo ng hindi alam ni Mama at saka ni Lynn. Dahil usually, lagi nila akong sinusundo pagka uwi na ako. Ang alam talaga nila is ang uwi ko June 1. So, medyo challenging kasi lagi ako tumatawag tsaka na ipag-communicate sa kanila. So, this time, tatry natin na wag mag-video call, text lang, or voice call lang. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Hi, guys! It's 10:30 p.m. May 21, and tomorrow I'm signing off. But I haven't checked in my luggage yet. So, inaayos ko pa yung cover. Cover na lang. And, punta na kami for luggage inspection. Ayos na siya. Finally. Check na tayo luggage. Disembarking crew. Martin, Kristen, Grace. Hi guys! So finally, we're back in our cabin. Natapos na tayo magpa-luggage inspection, mag-ayos ng gamit, mag-shower, maglinis ng kabina. And now, it's 1:30 a.m. And in a few hours, I will be leaving the ship. It feels like it was yesterday na nag-open kami ng Celebrity Excel. But, finally, we're going home. So, update ko na lang kayo ulit pag nasa airport na tayo or pag magdi-disembark na kami. See ya! Sakay na kami ng bus, guys! Papuntang airport. Sign off is real. Guys, nasa bus na tayo papunta ng airport. See you soon, Mama and Linlin. I love you. Bye-bye, Excel. Woo! Guys, nakalagpas na kami ng check-in. Nakapag-luggage check-in na kami. Nakaraos kami.
Lagege so much.
Lagege talaga. Nandito na kami sa... papunta namin ng gate, guys. 2:30 na, boarding kami by 4. So, kailangan namin hanapin yung gate tapos kakain muna kami. May McDonald's. Ayun na. May araw doon. Okay. Order muna tayo. Siyempre, English.
Ja, es gibt auch schwarzes Wasser mit Mischwasser.
Gusto natin na... Then, maghihintay na tayo sa table. At this point, guys, kumakain na tayo ng burger and fries. Without realizing, nawawala pala yung ginamit nating card pambayad. So, shoutout dyan sa Barcelona, McDonald's. Yung card ko, naiwan ko po. So, na-realize ko lang siya nung dumating na tayo ng Manila. Pero, tuloy pa rin ang surprise. So, let's move on. Hi, Ma. 24 hours left. Makikita mo na ako. 10 o'clock na dyan ng Friday. Bukas ng gabi nandyan ako. Pero di mo alam.
So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe to. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi guys, 4:30 p.m. Nandito na tayo sa plane papuntang Doha. 6 hours flight siya, guys. Magtulog muna ako sa sobrang tulog. And update ka na lang kayo ulit. Okay, after 2 hours ng flight namin, nag-serve na sila ng lunch. And that includes water, side of salad, and dessert. Tapos yung pinili ko is yung noodles na may kasamang chicken. Tapos nanghingi ako ng apple juice. So, may choices sila if you want alcoholic drinks. Meron silang whiskey, gin, and red wine. So, up to you kung anong gusto mong inumin.
With you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that the smoking is not permitted until you are within destination.
5 a.m. na dito sa Qatar and 7:45 yung boarding natin. So, nandito tayo sa Simon's Lounge. Kumain lang konting soup and sandwich. Shower, freshen up. Toothbrush. Then, mamaya pupunta na tayo sa gate kasi lumabas na sa screen yung gate number natin. Tapos doon na tayo mag-aantay. See you, Mama and Lilin. Boarding to Manila. 8 o'clock na.
p.m. For safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completed.
Just landed, Mama. Lilin, see you. Landed in Manila. Labas na tayo, guys. Nakuha ko na yung luggage. Teka lang, mamaya na. Ito tayo. Dito na tayo sa condo, guys. So, surprise natin si Mama, si Lynn, and si Spy. I'm home! Let's go! Let's go, guys. Surprise na natin sila. Buksan mo ilaw. Buksan mo. Ayan guys, namura tayo ni Mama. Kaya minute ko muna tong part na to. Anong reaction ni Tito?
Ayaw mag-video. Sabi ko na nga ba. Ayaw mag-video.
Parang ako yung kinabahan.
Kaya pala, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kaya pala ayaw mag-video. Ayaw mag-video ko eh. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Wala, makalasa talaga.
Na-surprise kayo? Na-surprise ka? Akala ko nagising si Mama, iisip. Na-surprise ka? Hindi. Ano nga ba? Ayaw mag-video. Sabi ko, mission success. Dito ka na pala. Dito kasi, ayaw, kaya pala ayaw mag-video.